This time, on behalf of captains, I would like to call from this team, Fabia. And from this team, I would like to call from 8 o'clock batch, I would like to call Rayan Bhai.
So, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. And a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Fabia and I want to begin with a simple question. That do you want free bed with fear or paid with peace? Definitely the honest answer would be paid with peace because we know that health is wealth. And when your government hospital make you wait for 5 and 10 hours, private hospital provide you treatment in a minutes. Not only this, but also government hospital may be cheaper, but private hospitals are safer, cleaner, and smarter. Now I would like to move towards my points. At first, I would like to talk about less waiting time and more saving time. There are a lot of hospital, and there is time limit for waiting. Like only 15 to 30 minutes you can wait for any treatment and all. But in government hospital, what do we see? 1 hour you are spending there, 3 hours you are spending there, which is not good because like this you are wasting your time and you are not getting treatment as well. So I would say that save your time and save your life. Now I would like to give chance to my opponent to speak.
So, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Rayyan, and today we are doing debate here on an amazing topic, which is in the regard of government hospital versus private hospital. Well, I would like to speak in the favor of government hospitals. So, first of all, as she was mentioning about the time that we have to spend a lot of time in government hospitals. Sister, take an example. Suppose there is a biryani which is being distributed free of cost. So, won't there be crowd? Of course, there will be a lot of crowd. People will fight with each other where the facilities and the best facilities is given or is being given. So, of course, there will be crowd there, and she is saying that there is crowd. Sister, they are treating you free of cost, so you will have to tolerate their anger also, and you will have to tolerate their excuses, whatever they will say you, and you are saying that we are able to tolerate their excuses. Second, I would like to mention about my points, that is about national health program. That what happens every year in government hospitals, government doctors organize national health program. In that program, what happens that they guide patients that how to stay healthy, or how to remove, or how to stay healthy, how to remove the diseases, how to make environment healthy. Now I would like to mention about my data, like there is a one program, national tuberculosis program, means national TB program. TB is a kind of a disease which is biggest disease after cancer. Okay, so there what happens, doctors they organize, there a lot of patients are there who have TB, means tuberculosis. There doctors they explain that how to stay healthy, what to eat, and what kind of medicines you should eat. And medicines of the TB are very expensive. If you take from the private hospital, so 2000 per week medicine, and the whole course of TB is continuously 6 months or 9 months. If you take from the private hospital, of course you won't be able to afford. But if you take your treatment from government hospitals, you will be able to afford.
Okay, so as he mentioned about the treatment, that if you are getting treatment free of cost, definitely you will have to tolerate so many things. Like if someone is shouting, you will have to tolerate because you are getting treatment free of cost. Is there any sense? I don't think so. So let me explain you. What happens if you are paying, so you won't get any kind of scoldness by any of the doctor. I know this, but why do you think that if we are going somewhere for getting treatment free of cost, so we will have to listen the scoldness or whatever they are saying? We will have to tolerate them. Why? Nothing is there to tolerate, because if you have money, if you are talking about the poor people also, they have also money. It's a kind of just excuse which you are giving me. It's just a kind of excuse. Okay, so I would like to, with giving answer, I would like to put my point also,
First of
which
all,
is about
this nonsense.
doctors' behavior. You know, study says that 80% of patients, they think that private hospitals doctors, they have manner of talking to the patient. They talk politely. 80% of people are saying that, and you type of people coming and saying it is not like that. You will have to scold. You will have to manage and tolerate so many things. So I don't think so. It's like that. And private hospitals helps. Government hospitals delays. So choose that one which truly pays. I would say that.
Sister, listen. Well, I would like to suggest you one thing to all, that if someone has ego that can't succeed in his life, she means
Yeah.
according to her behavior or talking to some, miss, don't mind sister, I would like to
Yeah,
say
yeah.
first, if you fight me. So if someone has ego, it means according to your behavior, it is looking that you have ego. Why will I tolerate their excuses or their anger? Of course, you will have to tolerate when they are treating you at free of cost.
Aren't
they
you paying for
listen,
that?
listen, and they treat well. It's not like that they don't treat well. Second, from this team they were mentioning about the facilities cleanliness. So sisters, are you going in any hotel that you will get the facilities? Sir, would you like to have any korma?
Definitely.
Oh, definitely. Sister,
Yes, of
listen,
course.
that we are not going there for facilities, that there should be a kind of a separate room and there should be amazing mirrors, there should be amazing light. No, you are going for treatment so that you could get treatment, and you don't mean from other things like what they are doing.
Okay, if government
That is
hospitals.
not your home,
okay,
that
okay,
you will
okay.
get the cleanliness.
Okay. According to him, there is no value of cleanliness. Let me tell you what happens if there is garbage everywhere. You will get disease at first. It means that you can get disease by the dirtiness also. So cleanliness matters a lot. It is not like that you want 5-star hotel, you want restaurant, nothing at all. Cleanliness matters a lot if you want good health. And if government hospitals are that much better, so why do we hear the news that 2 people are lying in a single bed? In a hospital, in a government hospital, they are lying on the floor. If your government hospitals are that much better, so why do we hear these types of news still?
Sir, I have best answer, sir, please. Sir. That as she mentioned about the beds, that first of all tell me the date when you heard this news. And now let me mention about the data of the Delhi government hospitals of the Delhi. There are many hospitals like Guru Gobind Singh Hospital. In 2025, 500 beds were provided by the government in that hospital, and that is government. A lot of